Welcome to xhosa Predictors. As usual, I'm Dr. Class. My guest is Dr. McCollum. Now we're going to talk about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is doing so bad this season, even the previous season and that season. But what I want to know to Dr. McCollum, what is the real problem in Kaizer Chiefs? Is it management or is it the players? Or the next question, what do you see happening in Kaizer Chiefs in the next season? And then the last question is, who's a great coach who can come and save Kaizer Chiefs? What actually is needed in Kaizer Chiefs to resolve this problem?
Thank you very much, Mr. Class, for having me. What I can say is that it's so difficult. And as lovers of football, we miss Kaizer Chiefs, because that is not Kaizer Chiefs that we know that is playing now. But we miss that Kaizer Chiefs that was making all the supporters to come and watch football, even if you're not supporting them. But wherever they go, they have support. It's either Pirates or Sundowns. But we always make sure when they are playing, we go and watch, even on our TV or on the stadium. We go and watch. We buy tickets to watch them. We miss that Kaizer Chiefs. And I think even Orlando Pirates themselves, they miss that combination of Kaizer Chiefs, where they used to push Pirates to make great things, because they used to be jealous of Kaizer Chiefs when they're doing well. So we miss that Kaizer Chiefs. Now, to answer your questions, if Chiefs, their problem is allowing supporters to be too much control on the team, because it's like Kaizer Chiefs now is owned by supporters, not by bosses of Kaizer Chiefs. And number two is allowing management of Chiefs to control the coaches. Number four is allowing bosses or I would say supporters to fire coaches left and right. Why I say that? In my life, in my experience of football, I never see a coach who's given only 6 months to coach and then you take that coach as a failure. Let's look at